fucking yell at me.
I'm using my first name. I gave him an email address to use. I didn't say anything about video. There's no pictures. I didn't say anything about video.
He's not paying attention.